Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your YouTube recap. So if you're trying to see your 2025 stats and highlights, but don't know where to find them, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your browser on your phone. Now, in the address bar, type youtube.com/recap and hit enter. This link takes you straight to YouTube's official recap page. You'll see a message saying something like, looking for your 2025 recap, along with a button that says Open YouTube. Go ahead and tap that. If the feature is available for your account, your recap should start playing automatically and you'll be able to watch your personalized stats, including your top creators, favorite music, total watch time, and everything you enjoyed throughout the year. If you don't see the recap yet, don't worry. YouTube rolls this feature out slowly, so it might not be active for your account right now. You can simply check back later using the same link. And that's it. This is the fastest and easiest way to see your YouTube recap for 2025. If this quick tutorial helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.